Yo, what's up everybody? It's John from J&J Travel, and I'm stoked to be sharing some seriously killer solo travel tips with you guys. Look, I've been all over the globe, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, and let me tell you, nothing beats the thrill of exploring a new place on your own terms. But I'll be real with you, solo travel can be daunting, especially if you're a rookie. That's why I'm breaking down my top tips to help you navigate the world with confidence, stay safe, and create unforgettable memories. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Before you even think about booking that flight, you gotta do your homework. Researching your destination is the first step to ensuring a memorable and hassle-free trip. Trust me, a little research goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. It can save you from unexpected surprises and help you make the most of your time. First things first, dive deep into your destination. Learn about its history, the must-see landmarks, and the hidden gems that aren't in every guidebook. I'm talking about immersing yourself in the culture, the customs, and even a few basic local phrases. Understanding the local way of life can enrich your travel experience. It's like showing respect, you know? When you make an effort to understand and respect local customs, it opens doors to more genuine interactions. Plus, it'll make navigating the place a whole lot easier. Knowing a bit about the local language and customs can help you find your way and avoid misunderstandings. Next up, safety first. Look, every place has its quirks, so it's crucial to be aware of any potential risks or scams. Being informed about the local safety situation can help you stay out of trouble. Check travel advisories, read up on common scams, and just be street smart. Knowing what to watch out for can make a big difference in your safety. Don't be afraid to reach out to fellow travelers who've been there, done that. Their experiences can provide valuable insights and tips that you won't find in any guidebook. Online forums and travel communities are gold mines for insider tips and honest advice. You can find recommendations for the best places to eat, stay, and explore. And hey, while you're at it, why not learn a few basic phrases in the local language? It shows respect and can make your interactions with locals much more pleasant. Even just hello and thank you can go a long way in breaking the ice and connecting with locals. A simple greeting can lead to meaningful conversations and new friendships. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of solo travel, it's your ultimate wingman. The more you know, the more confident and prepared you'll be. So, do your research, be prepared, and get ready to own your adventure. With the right preparation, your solo journey can be an unforgettable experience filled with discovery and joy. Alright, let's talk packing. It's an art, really, and mastering it can make or break your travel experience. I know it's tempting to stuff your entire life into that suitcase, but trust me on this one pack light, overpacking can lead to unnecessary stress and hassle. Think about it. Lugging around a heavy bag is the ultimate buzzkill. It drains your energy and can even cause physical strain. It slows you down, limits your spontaneity, and honestly, who needs the extra stress? Instead, pack smart. A lighter load means more freedom to explore and enjoy your journey. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. Think layers and neutral colors that can be dressed up or down, and don't forget a small, quick-drying towel, a lifesaver in a pinch. Shoes, keep it minimal. A pair of comfortable walking shoes and a dressier option should suffice. A comfortable pair for walking and a dressier option if you're feeling fancy should do the trick. Remember, comfort is key when you're on the move. Toiletries, travel-sized, all the way. They save space and weight, and you can always replenish them as you go. You can find almost everything you need in mini versions, or better yet, embrace the local pharmacy and stock up at your destination. It's a great way to experience local products too. Remember, packing light is all about freedom. It gives you the flexibility to move quickly and easily without being bogged down by excess baggage. It allows you to move with ease, adapt to unexpected situations, and fully embrace the adventure that awaits. So, next time you pack, think light, think smart, and travel far. Alright, let's talk staying connected in our digital age. In today's world, our smartphones and laptops are more than just gadgets. They're our lifelines, especially when we're on the move. Look, I get it. Part of the beauty of solo travel is disconnecting from the world and immersing yourself in the moment. There's nothing quite like the serenity of a beach meditation or the thrill of a forest hike. But let's be real, staying connected, at least to some extent, is crucial for safety and peace of mind, both for you and your loved ones back home. A quick video call can reassure your family, and a simple text can keep your friends updated. Before you jet off, Make sure you've got a reliable way to access the internet. This could be through Wi-Fi hotspots, portable routers, or local SIM cards. Consider investing in a local SIM card with a data plan. It's usually the most affordable and convenient option. Plus, it ensures you have internet access wherever you go, without relying on potentially insecure public Wi-Fi. Download essential travel apps like maps, translation tools, and ride-sharing services. These apps can be lifesavers, helping you find your way, communicate with locals, and get around efficiently. These will be your lifelines when it comes to navigating unfamiliar territory and communicating with locals. Imagine being lost in a foreign city and not knowing the language. These apps can bridge that gap. And hey, don't forget to share your itinerary with someone you trust back home. This way, they know where you are and can reach out if they don't hear from you. Let them know your plans, where you're staying, and how to reach you in case of an emergency. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in ensuring your safety. Remember, staying connected isn't about being glued to your phone 24/7. It's about balance, knowing when to use your device and when to put it away to fully enjoy the moment. It's about having a lifeline in case you need it, allowing you to explore with confidence and peace of mind. So stay connected, stay safe, and make the most of your adventures. Alright, let's talk about something super important: trusting your instincts. Look, when you're traveling solo, you're your own best judge of character and situations. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't ignore those gut feelings. Whether it's a shady character, a sketchy neighborhood, or a deal that seems too good to be true, trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your belongings, especially in crowded areas, and avoid walking alone late at night in unfamiliar places. It's all about being street smart and using common sense. Don't be afraid to say no if someone or something makes you uncomfortable. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. Alright, let's talk about one of the most rewarding aspects of solo travel: meeting new people. I know, putting yourself out there can be intimidating, but trust me, it's worth it. The beauty of solo travel is that you're more approachable, more open to connecting with others, whether they're fellow travelers or locals. Embrace opportunities to strike up conversations. It could be as simple as asking for directions, complimenting someone's style, or sharing a meal at a communal table. Consider staying in hostels. They're notorious for their social vibes and are a breeding ground for meeting like-minded adventurers. Join group tours or activities that pique your interest. It's a fantastic way to explore new places, learn from experienced guides, and bond with fellow travelers over shared experiences. Remember, every person you meet has a story to tell, a perspective to share, and a potential friendship to offer. So there you have it, my top tips for conquering the world solo. Remember, solo travel is more than just visiting new places. It's about pushing your boundaries, embracing the unknown, and discovering who you are when you're outside your comfort zone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, adventures, and inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living life on your own terms. Peace out!